Brainpop is a resource that many educators are familiar with for introductory videos. However, there are a lot of new things that Brainpop has that we're going to take a look at today. First of all, I want us to notice up at the top, there are a plethora of topics up here, including arts and music, health and social emotional learning, engineering and technology, and new and trending. If we go to new and trending, they do have a video on the coronavirus as well as some current topics and topics that students might be interested in. They have a video on cancer. They even have a video on Malala. If we go back and find a particular topic we're looking in, so let's say we want to look at all the math videos, they separate it into units, so it's very easy to find what you're looking for. Let's go ahead and take a look at geometry and measurement. Once you find a video that you are interested in, you want to use for your students, you can go ahead and click on it. Let's talk about angles. That's an elementary school topic. Over on the side is where we see all the other things that it has to offer to go with the video. Now, every video will have, most of them have a quiz and make a map. Some of them will have activities, some of them will have games like this one does. You really have to take a look at what each video offers. I like Make a Map. It's kind of like a note taker. So students can go ahead and they can play the movie, and as they're playing the movie, they're able to take a screenshot of it with this little camera icon. And they can use that and they can draw an arrow to the next thing. And maybe the next thing they want to do is they want to add a note about something that they learned. It's like a good way to take notes, something different. They're able to use different vocabulary words they learned from the activity. And then it'll tell them what it is with the little play icon as they add it to their map.
Oh, well, I borrowed Dad's protractor, which I'm going to use to measure the angles in our clock.
Again, each section has something new and different for it. If we want to click on different videos, we can go ahead and check out some information on a writing unit. My favorite one, of course, copyright and plagiarism. Another thing I want us to take a look at is the vocabulary and the primary sources. Again, when we click on it, not every video will have a primary source connection, but this one does. So students can go ahead and they can actually see real primary sources that they're able to take a look at. And the other one I want to highlight is the vocabulary. Different videos have different activities with the vocabulary. This one wants the students to define and use it in a sentence. This could be something that the students, when they're finished, print off, or they could also go ahead and take a screenshot of it and send it in to a teacher. Brainpop is a really fun way to get students engaged. They tend to really like the characters, Tim and Moby, and there's just so much they're adding all the time, and it is certainly worth checking out for your classroom.